Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to manage the Not Linked section in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create, organize, and use hidden but public pages that give your website a professional edge and extra flexibility, whether for landing pages, thank you notes, special downloads, or clever draft layouts. So let's dive right in. First, let's clear up what the Not Linked section actually is. In your Squarespace Pages panel, you'll notice two main areas. The first is Main Navigation, which holds all the pages that show up on your site's top menu. These are the obvious entry points for your visitors. Underneath, you'll see Not Linked, and here's where the magic happens. Pages listed here aren't part of your main navigation, so people won't see them in your site's header or footer menus, but they are still live and accessible through direct links. Think of not linked pages like rooms in your house that aren't visible from the front door, but guests can still visit. Perfect for things like landing pages, thank you screens, blog category archives, downloadable forms, or even test layouts you're still tweaking behind the scenes. All right, let's walk through how you manage these not linked pages step by step. First, you want to find the Not Linked section in Squarespace 7.1. Log into your Squarespace dashboard and look at the left-hand sidebar for the Pages panel. When you scroll down, you'll see a heading labeled Not Linked. All the entries underneath are pages your site visitors won't see in your menus. But remember, they're still out there. Live on the web. If you ever need to share a private page, this is where you'll set it up. Next, let's add a page to Not Linked. Just hover your mouse over the Not Linked heading and click the plus button that appears. Squarespace will prompt you to choose a type of page. You can pick a blank slate, one of their ready-made layouts like About or Contact, or even start a blog store, portfolio, you name it. Give your page a name. Let's say you want to prepare a thank you screen for your email sign-up form. Type in your page name, and it automatically gets listed under Not Linked. You don't have to do anything else. No extra hiding required. Now here's a great tip. Any page you keep in Not Linked can still be linked to from buttons, hyperlinked text, or even banners elsewhere on your site. They simply don't clutter up your main menu where casual visitors would spot them. It's a sleek way to add bonus content or keep drafts out of sight until they're ready. But what if you want to move pages between Not Linked and the main menu? It's easy. Just click and drag. If you have a page in navigation you want to hide, drag it down into Not Linked, and it vanishes from your menu but remains live. To bring a hidden page into the spotlight, drag it up into main navigation. This drag and drop system is really intuitive and ideal for testing new features before making them public. Next, to edit a not linked page, just click its title under the Not Linked section. Squarespace's Fluid Engine editor opens up, and you can add all the elements you need: text, images, buttons, videos, or forms. You can adjust the layout grid, style backgrounds, change paddings, or go full width. The editing process is identical to your other pages, so don't worry about missing any features. The only difference is who can easily find the page. Finally, let's talk about linking to a not linked page manually. Just visit the page, copy its URL from your browser's address bar. It'll look like your domain.com page name, and then paste that link wherever you want, inside a button block, a call to action banner, or even a drop-down navigation item. For example, you might create a thank you page under Not Linked, and then tie it to your form's submission success action. That's all there is to it. Managing Not Linked. Pages in Squarespace 7.1 gives you powerful control over what's public, what's private, and what's in development. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Squarespace or website management. And don't forget to subscribe. I post new tutorials every week to help you get the most out of your site. Thanks so much for watching.